Driving home and your Toyota Estima just doesn't feel right? Maybe it jerks when shifting, or you hear a whining noise that gets louder as you speed up. Those are warning signs from your gearbox, and ignoring them can lead to a costly breakdown. At Advance Auto Work, we're true gearbox specialists in Johor Bahru, with over 15 years of experience and thousands of successful repairs. This isn't a quick fix, it's a complete overhaul. We dismantle the entire gearbox, clean every part, and inspect everything inside. Bearings, solenoids, pistons, clutches, replacing all worn or damaged parts with high-quality components. Our goal? To restore your gearbox to smooth, reliable performance, just like new. Every overhaul comes with our solid 6-month warranty, giving you total peace of mind. If you love seeing real, expert repairs, hit like and follow our channel. And if your car has gearbox, engine, or suspension issues, Advance Auto Work is here to help.